It's a perfect day, Sunday, to have your weekend started. It's raining and cloudy since last night, and considering this good weather, we have decided to go for a grocery in a recently opened store, Punjab Cash and Carry. We'll go there and give you a brief review about that store. See you there. This place is exactly in the Labo Margla Hills, very beautiful place out there. You can see the clouds covering the hills, and now I am just arrived at PCC location. PCC new location is a very nice place. It's kind of a this place is basically a busy place, a quite populated area, and situated at the junction of quite a populated area out there. You can see the surrounding people are out there for grocery, and it has a lot of potential for opening a grocery store. Soon after entering the store, you can find this area of cosmetics, which is quite spacious and have a lot of variety of soaps, shampoos, and stuff like conditioners, face wash, etc. One good thing is you can find a lot of variety, and a lot of products are also available on a promotional basis. Coming towards this section, this is basically a biscuits and the grocery. In a single roof, you can find a lot of variety of everything related to eatables, grocery. Grain variety is quite reasonable. I'll tell you, grains available at the store are very economical, and you can find the grains and rice, pulses, everything on a market-based rate, whereas rates available at store are quite on higher side. They provide a quite wide range of a variety of grains with very economical rates, and you can see the availability of grains. A lot of variety you can find here in a single store. I happen to purchase cooking oil from a different places. You can find cooking oil at a very economical rate. At you can say wholesale rates. Oil products and everything is available. A lot of brands in almost every kind of packing is available here. That is their butchery area, and you can find you can see the vegetables and food areas afterwards. We are currently at their butcher setup, which is quite a larger one. You can see the activity out there, and you can have all sort of beef, mutton and chicken varieties there. Rates are quite economical, and as far as choice of mutton or meat is concerned, you can have mutton or beef for your own choice. This thing is very much important that you can have their all kind of mutton throughout the week without any leave for the day, rather than going out for a normal butcher shops where they sell you mutton, chicken for their own choice. It is far better to have mutton or a mutton meat of your own choice from setup like this. Bakery area have lot of variety, and it is quite a spacious area, having lot of variety of bread, cakes, and fast food kind of stuff, pastry, brownies, everything. One good thing is you can find a fresh variety of every. The aroma out there is very good, and you can find a live cooking of almost everything. And on this part you can find a toy section out there, and beside that toy section you can have a grocery complete section where you can find a variety of a grocery starting from soaps. We have completed this activity of Sunday grocery, and we are now signing out. We are heading towards the tilt to build our mind, and we'll come up with another vlog in a few days.